Hey, bless your boy J Woo Woo Jr. My content for the day. It's raining out here today, but it's a blessing. You know what I mean? To wake up and to be able to experience this here rainy weather. My content for the day. All my viewers, look out for one another. Stay positive. Have faith and belief. Strive. Go for what your heart desires. You shall achieve. Practice make perfect. Hey, and be blessed. Thanks for viewing my video. Share, like, subscribe. Hit that notification bell. Holler at me sometime. Say, whoa. It's raining out here today. Raining out here today. I get in the big butt truck. Put my cup over there. And I gotta hop up in here, folks. Put the charge on. Put the charge on. I got these cop shoes on my feet. They my J's. They comfortable as hell now. These the new ones. You know what I'm saying? These motherfuckers comfortable as hell now. And let me turn this corner. And go grab my little something to drink. My content for the day, people. Man, a blessing. I'm kicking wheel. See who over here in the old Joshua said he at work. He at the house. Little content, y'all.